In this video, I am going to explain the terms of the YouTube TV free trial so you know exactly what to expect before signing up. Understanding these terms will help you make the most of your trial period. Let's get started. The YouTube TV free trial typically lasts for 7 days, but the exact duration may vary depending on promotions or offers. During the trial, you'll have access to the full suite of features, including live TV, cloud DVR, and streaming on multiple devices. However, a valid payment method is required to start the trial, and you'll automatically be charged the monthly subscription fee once the trial ends unless you cancel beforehand. The base package includes major networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, and NBC, but premium add-ons like Sports Plus or HBO may incur additional costs even during the trial. If this video helped you understand the terms of the YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.